So for this client, she was new, so we went in with the Malibu clarifying shampoo, and she was also booked for a hydration treatment. So here you can see me raking through that Malibu shampoo. I gave the scalp a nice scrub and then brought it through the ends. And then now we are rinsing that out. When you're rinsing your shampoo, make sure you get all of it out. You don't want to leave any behind. And here you can see me adding the hydration treatment, just working that in by raking it, applying that the same way you would apply conditioner. We sent her home with the Pure line for shampoo and conditioner. She sat under the dryer, and now we are rinsing. And section by section, I'm styling her with the Serenity Smoothing Cream and topping that with volumizing foam. And now we are diffusing. So for her diffuse, we went in with the hover because she is a new client. We need to see what her hair can do on its own. We mimicked an air dry, and this is the final result. It came out way curlier than she expected, and she was super happy with how everything went.
I would say like a loose scrunchie. Just kind of flip it over, get that in there, and come back up and just try to sleep like that. The healthier your hair gets, the more it's going to last overnight. But when your hair isn't in a healthy state, there's not a lot you can do for it. It just lets go of everything, all the work that you put in very easily. That's the benefit of healthy hair. Don't worry about it too much. I would just say rather than leaning into the definition, if it's a little messy, flip it over and mess it up a little bit more, like from the root. Kind of lean into that, just at least to get a second, third day out of it with the state that your hair is in currently. But you'll be able to keep a certain amount of definition one day to the next, the healthier your hair gets.